Hi, this is Bob Johnson, Computer Stuff, and if you're looking for an online Toughbook community that gives tips, tricks, and support, hit the subscribe and bell button for all of our upcoming videos. Today we'll be replacing the battery port in your Panasonic Toughbook CF19. First thing you want to do is remove your battery and hard drive. This unit already has them removed, and now flip it over. You want to remove all the screws on the bottom plate. Looks like there were about 12. Now carefully you want to pick up the bottom cover. Usually when you open the side ports it makes it a little easier. And once that's off, the battery port is now exposed. To remove, there are just 2 screws on the ends here. You have to disconnect the cable. Just be careful not to break it. And that's your battery port. Since it's just an example and this one works fine, I'll put that right back in. And you can reconnect the cable. Now you can put the bottom plate back. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Any questions or comments you can leave below.